Fishing, the perfect way of spending time. When relaxation is all you want. You're surrounded by beautiful nature. In this case, time is all you have. And you don't know what you'll catch on your hook. Change of situation. Working each minute is valuable. Your aim is to catch the pump on the hook. This way of fishing around is time-consuming and not very safe. You never know where and how the pump is lifted, and the cable may be damaged. In our efforts to provide total solutions to our customers' pumping needs, ITT Flygt proudly presents the Dock-Lock. The Dock-Lock consists of a spring-loaded hook, a tension drum with guide line, and an extension to the pump's lifting shackle. Let us show you how these parts become a Dock-Lock and how it works. In this animation, you can see how the pump is installed with the Dock-Lock. When the pump has been lowered into position, the lifting wire is slackened, and the spring-loaded hook automatically unlocks, releasing itself from the pump's shackle, and the hooking device can be raised to the top of the sump. For retrieving the pump, the hooking device is lowered, guided by the line to the pump's lifting shackle. When it reaches the top of the pump, the hooking device docks with the shackle. The spring-loaded mechanism is triggered, and with an extra manual tug on the guide line, the hook locks firmly onto the shackle, and the pump can be lifted. Now let's see how this new Dock-Lock system is installed. Start by mounting the extension to the pump's lifting shackle, holding the shackle in an upright position. Suspend the tension drum with the guide line above the pump sump. Suspend the spring-loaded hook on your lifting device. The line on the hook goes through the lifting shackle and through the two loops on the hook, and is then connected to the guide line on the tension drum. Then lift the pump with the Dock-Lock system and lower it into the sump. When the pump is in position, the spring-loaded hook releases itself and can be lifted. Release the guide line from the spring-loaded hook and secure it to a ring next to the access frame above the sump. Cut the guide line right under the tension drum and release it from the spring-loaded hook. Mount a carabiner or the equivalent on the guide line and secure it to the other side of the sump. Here you can see the guide line installed. Now we're all set for some meaningful fishing, and during working hours. Take the line from the tension drum through the loops on the spring-loaded hook and connect it to one end of the guide line. Now connect the line from the spring-loaded hook with the other end of the guide line. Lower the hook, retrieving the pump. Now the tension drum keeps the line tensioned throughout the operation, and the hook is automatically guided by the line down to the pump's lifting shackle. When it reaches the top of the pump, the hook docks with the shackle extension. The spring-loaded mechanism is triggered, and with an extra manual tug on the guide line, the hook locks firmly onto the shackle. The pump is ready for lifting. Now let's put the pump back into operation. When it's been lowered back into position, the lifting chain is slackened and the spring-loaded hook automatically opens and releases the pump shackle. The hook is raised to the top of the sump, disconnected from the line, and can be used to retrieve other pumps in the station equipped with guidelines. So, with this new dock-lock system from ITT Flygt, elevating pumps has become safer, easier, and far less time-consuming. So, fishing without knowing what you'll catch will now be something for your leisure time.